Hello and welcome to another Jack Welding Specialist video, and in this episode I'm going to be preparing the bonnet for paint and primer and whatever, sandblasting. So I'll turn it around now and show you what I've got. So it's the bonnet. It's don't know, seems to have a bit of filler in here somewhere. You can kind of see the little dips and don't know what else, but yeah, there's a few little areas around the corner that need dealing with. Just need to take that washer jet out, a little bit around the edge. These edges look pretty good, so I'm just going to flip this around now and show you the inside. So this is the underside of the bonnet, and someone has decided they would put some sound deadening in here, which is not a bad idea, but it's just a bit messy. So I'm going to have to take that out probably, and I think this is pretty solid all the way around. There's nothing too awful. These all the bolts came out of here, which was nice. I see this was green as well, so this was another donor panel from a different car. I've just noticed there's a little bit of damage of some sorts here. It's all been painted with a bit of aerosol, I think, or the original rubbers, which is quite good. And that there's just a little thread on that, whatever you call it, the washer jet, and then actually it's got some it's actually got a fabric layer between the two skins, I guess, to help prevent the transfer of rust if it's from the inside going out. I don't think I'm going to be splitting the bonnet, as it is a sort of a bit more complex thing to split apart as opposed to the boot lid. This is, I mean, it would be achievable, but it wouldn't be as it would take a lot longer to probably fold it back up, and also all these edges a little bit more don't know, just yeah, I'm not going to do that with this. Potentially just pull that edge back a little bit, but I don't know, not too sure yet. So first of all, I'm going to be removing all of this and the catches and stuff, and probably just that will be then ready to send off for blasting and prep. It will probably expose a load of this stuff when it goes for blasting, but that's okay. And yeah, this should come back red oxide primer. And then it's yeah, along with the all four doors, which are now prepped, and the boot lid, they will just be good solid neutral bases, red oxide primered, and they can be leveled up on the car, and that's a significant job done. I'm expecting the doors to need a fair amount of welding along the bottoms, and at least, you know, a good section of the outer panels, but we'll see that then once we have got them back. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this and get all of this lovely sound deadening. It's nice sound deadening, to be fair. Like, it's a good quality material. It's quite thick, and if it was cut in a nice shape, I think it would do a good job. But for blasting, it's coming off. So, I mean, it's not a very long video showing you this. I'll come back once I've got this off, but there's not really much else for people to see. So yeah, so I've got all this sound deadening out, and the bonnet catch piece and the front letters that say Consul. So this is, oh, actually I need to do that bit. Just one more bit, and then this can go off to the blasters with the other bits. And yeah, we'll wait till those are done. I'll probably find something else to do on the car whilst I'm waiting for those to all be done. The wings are already at the blasters, so hopefully they should be ready to be picked up once I take these. So we'll see. So I've got all the boot lid split apart with the skins, and all the doors prepped, the bonnet prepped as well, all for sandblasting. Obviously I'm not going to be doing much on the car. Well, I don't know. These are going away for blasting, and I'm going to see if there's anything else that I can do on this whilst I'm waiting for the blasting. I'm still waiting for the panels from Expressed Panels. I believe they're nearly ready, so we shall see that then. Yeah, I'm still not sure which bits to tackle next. I think I will find that out in the next little while. Probably end up taking a lot of this sound deadening out, clearing this interior out, and having a look at just how the panels are joined, how I might separate them, and split them to do the repairs on the sills, get all this ugly sound deadening out. I've got to try and get these screens out at some point to do the rust around here, and also just tidy these trims up and get rid of all this undersealer here, seam sealer, and then when the car goes for paint, it can be painted all as a shell, and all the internal edges and seams can be done. I think the dashboard top can come off to an extent, so I may look at starting to cover the dashboard and protecting this. Then around here to the engine bay, it has had a fair amount of work done to it. New fuse boxes, looks like a new coil, new battery, this exhaust that goes down to some side exit thing, which I think will be changed. And then we've got a load of whatever that is, a vacuum cable for something, and then we've got, oh, what is that? It's like a union that's been turned into the throttle linkage, which looks like it does the job, but yeah, that's not seen that before. And then there's this manifold adaptation. I think this is pre-crossflow or whatever. I'm not too sure. But that is the block, I believe. So I'm not going to be touching this area yet, I don't think, but I reckon as the car progresses, I will be looking to potentially take the front subframe off and prep it and restore it similar to like the rear. Depends if the parts are sort of easily available, like depending how things are taken apart, if it's sort of going to be a nightmare to find replacement bits or whatever. Let's just wave this bloody light back on. So yeah, that's what's going on at the minute. Oh, there we go. Things like this rubber, we need to try and find some. I think the customer has a lot of spare original parts. And it's interesting because these seem to be, they're like, they've got pins in them, like split pins that hold the rubbers in, which is quite interesting. So this is, and I think depending on what colour it goes, obviously the engine bay will need to be painted to suit to do a nice job. Take out all of these strut tops and weld anything that is needed in there. This front panel, I think there needs to be a few little repairs done, or just at least straightening out. And it has got a kill switch, which is a good thing on the car, but may see if we could relocate it to somewhere a bit more driver friendly. Don't know, we'll see that when we come to it. But yeah, that's where we're at the minute. So hopefully we should have some better progress soon. That's quite interesting to see how that's done. So that will potentially help me on the other side. So that goes down like so. Let me see how it differs on the other side. Oh yeah, so it's actually straight down, and then it does fold in that way a little bit, which is good to know. Right, so yeah, a few things a lot to be getting on with, but yeah, good progress so far, and we will see what we get up to soon. Cheers, thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.